Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to make very easily and smart way bulk videos, especially for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reel. Using ChatGPT and Canva, you can create one time like 100, 200 or 1000 reel. Just couple of minutes you spend and you can create. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start on my Mac screen. Now first of all you need to open here the ChatGPT. So this is my ChatGPT. So I just simply raise here one of the question. I already added this paragraph in video description. So I raise here one of the question, create a list 100 little known traveling tips for solo travelers. Keep language simple and easy to understand. And after that you just simply raise the question, and look at this, we are receiving the all information in 3 columns and table format. One is a serial number, second one is a tips, and third one is a description. So look at this, all the information is generating here. So we can skip this one and open here the Canva. First of all you need to open the Canva, and here the addition option is available. You just simply click here and type here YouTube short, enter. So YouTube short related frame is coming here, focusing in this bulk implementation traveling tips. So we just simply search here, any template is available, traveling tips. So look at this here, the some of the bunch is available here, bunch of information, some of the template is available here. Which template you want, like accordingly you decide and select this one. So as a traveling point of view, I select this template. This template is easy. Here one of the important points come here, we receive already all the 100 tips. How many column we have? The 3. So we can create here 3 types of parts or text. So first one is a hash, means number. We can do as a bold format and increase the font size also. If you want to increase this size, you should increase the size accordingly. Again, copy and paste here the tips. One of the important points come here. Here the tips comes the first, backlight and multi-purpose. So which types of font you want, like here. So accordingly you decide and make design as well. We can select here some of the thoughts so people can easily recognize what I'm saying here. So yeah, perfectly fine. We reduce little font size and that's it. Again we copy here and make it here the description. One of the important point come here, description is a little bigger. So accordingly you decide little small font size. Select here at least 60 font size. If I copy this one and just put it here, so people can read very easily. So this font size is perfectly fine, and we can justify properly in the center area. Same thing right here it is as well. So we just copy here this one, remove this one and paste here and type here hash. Perfect. Numbers not taking too much space, and here we create our own structure properly. Now point come here, how to add this information there. So first of all we just copy all the information, copy and go back here. Again here search here in the application. Inside the application you scroll down and here the bulk create option is available. The bulk create most of time is not available as a free of cost in Canva. I have premium subscription. So here we need to enter here as a manual, but second option is also available. Excel, CSV and TSV files you should add here. You can create your all information in Excel format and then modify properly and then add it here. But we just simply copy and paste here. We just simply enter here in data manual, just simply click here and paste. So currently I have 3 columns. First one is serial number, then tips, and then description. Okay, perfect. Now is done. Now is magic is happen. So we have 3 text button here. So we can add here one information one by one. We can reduce some font size 70. Perfect. So first of all you select one of this and right click, and here the connect data option is come. You should connect, and which data you want connect here. So first of all is serial number. So I connect here in the first one is hash, it means serial number. Second one is a tips, right click, connect data, tips, description, right click, connect data and description. Perfectly fine. Now we can continue here. So perfectly come all the data you just verify. So all we receive the 100 reels here and generate, and just calculate 1 2 3 4 5, and boom, all reels generated here. All reel size is a 7-second default. You should change the size also, like 1 to 10 in between, so 7 I select by default. So look at this here, and after that you should verify all data is properly coming or not. If not coming, you should adjust properly, and then make properly, then export properly all the data and information. The font size is small, accordingly you should decide. If you play this one, so like this, the reel play like this, and that one is really interesting. Next reel automatically play here like this, and it's really amazing. You should convert the text as a small, so before you should accordingly make this particular text bar and then convert as all the text. So point here come, our all reel is completed. Now we want add here some of the song or background music, so we can go again here and hear the music. And here this music is not freely available, but we just simply search copyright free music copyright free. So we have bunch of music is available. Which music you like, accordingly you select. Each and every music length around 1 minute. So I select this one. If you select this background music, one of the problem come here. If you want export here, so this entire reel is come together. If you select here the background music and cut each 7 seconds, so you need to split accordingly. And we copy and we target same music of my all videos. So I just simply copy and paste. So my entire script around 11 minutes. I completed all the songs and inside the music. You can play once here perfectly like this. Now time to export entire the bulk reel. Just simply click here in the file. You just put it here, name, traveling tips, download. And one of the important points come here. Make sure we need to download separate file each and every. So you should select here 4K and here download page as a separate file. So we can select here 85 files we can download here and just simply download. If you export here as a 4K, you need to spend here around 5 to 10 minutes to export entire the files. And after that I will show you which types of output we are receiving. So finally it's completed. We can save this file like a traveling tips zip file and save. Again, now I open here my download folder and here is the zip file. I just unzip this one in my Mac and look at this here. Totally we have in 85 files, and boom, all shorts video is completed and it's very nice. I just simply open one of them. एक मिनट रुक. Next one. So this is the magic. After that you should add the title. You can add this title same as it is. After that you can add the title and publish Instagram or YouTube. This is one of the best and smartest way you can create multiple video within a couple of minutes, and after that you should publish Instagram or YouTube shorts. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.